Hello! How to make the Bumblebee paper airplane. Take a rectangular piece of paper of any color. Place the paper with the short side facing you. Fold the right edge to the left. Press down well on the folded part. Unfold the paper. Turn it over to the other side. Fold the top right corner to the center line we just made. Press down well on the fold. Fold the left corner to the center line. Press down on the fold. Unfold the corners. Flip the paper back to the starting side. Take the right side and fold it to the center crease. Press down well. Do the same with the left side of the plane. Turn the paper to the other side. Take the top corner and pull it down to the center line. We are folding the top diamond shape in half. Press down well. Flip to the other side. The paper should now have slanted lines at the top. Fold the right edge of the plane to the left. Press down well on the fold. Twist it slightly on the table. Now, let's make the wings. Fold the paper downward to form a wing. Press down well. Flip to the other side. Repeat the same steps for the other wing. Unfold the wings of the airplane. Airplane adjustment for better flight. Adjust the plane so it flies well. To do this, slightly tilt the wings to form a Y shape. Now, try launching your plane. Throw it gently. If you made all the folds correctly and adjusted the wings and body well, your origami plane will fly far and smoothly. So, did you manage to make the perfect airplane?